Hi folks, welcome back. In my initial session, in my initial presentation, I already said that Kotlin, which is a new platform for Android Studio, it was there before, but now it's a kind of globally officially announced by the Google as upcoming platform from 3.0. So a lot many developers, lot many engineers are running behind it. Lot many people have lot many doubts, lot many rumors, lot many articles on it. So as per this understanding, we thought of making some video which can demonstrate how it is how Kotlin and Java can work together. They can coexist in the Android Studio project, in your Android project. So how it is compatible, what all benefits, what all plus points you are going to get out of this Android 3.0 platform. So we are going to demonstrate this 100% compatibility, interoperability on this platform. So for that we are going to write a small program by which we can showcase that yes, really Android and Java can coexist together. So this is my previous example where I've showcased how exactly they can coexist, how exactly my previous video where I have showcased how Hello World Kotlin can be done. Now let me write a project for 100% compatibility part. So let me see what all things we have. Yeah, so what we can do is we have Kotlin file. Let me rename that so that all the doubts can be clear off. Hello, it should not be hello world. Kotlin main activity, which is not doing anything. I'll create a Java file by saying common utility Java which can have protected is not required. Let's keep that as a default, which can have a method which can take two variables as an input. Do some operation, or it can pass to the next Kotlin file. So what we are trying to do here is our main activity is Kotlin. We are going to pass two variables to Java file, and from that Java file is further going to send that two inputs to some other Kotlin file. So last Kotlin file will do some operation, it will send back to Java, Java will send back to Kotlin. So let me try to write something, showcase you something like it will be a Kotlin file from where we are going to send two values to some Java file. Java file will accept those two values and it will further pass to some Kotlin 1, 2, Kotlin 3. Kotlin 3 will pass back the result to we can do this way, pass by the result to Java, and Java will pass back the result to initial caller. So initial caller will get back the result. So this logic we are going to achieve with our program. Meanwhile, we'll create one more Kotlin file here. Common utility Kotlin. Common utility Kotlin can be as let's set up the class first. Protected fun at signature will be different in this case. So take care of the signature part. So val is for value storage part. We'll try to demonstrate all these parameters like what is val, what is var in my further video. And return the result. We have not given any return type for it. So here the return type has to be given, and make some log as something as testing. It is common Kotlin 3. Kotlin 3 C. Okay, let's copy this guy. We'll go to Java file and what's the main file? Okay, there's the main file. How it's happening is there should be there will be a result. Common utility, it will go to common utility Java. Can add in this way. Take care of the syntax part. This guy will come here and this is going to call further the Kotlin part, and the Kotlin part was common utility Kotlin. And let's set up the result variable for storing the result. Common utility Kotlin dot add what all values you are passing. So you have to pass these two values, a and b, what you receive from the first Kotlin function, and pass back to main call function. This guy will go here and do the operation, return back the result. So have a look on this log part, which is giving the parameter tooltip, which is additional help for the developer. Now this guy will tell it is in Java 2. Pass back the result and come back to call function. What's the call function? Let's first, it is getting called from here. Kotlin request, Kotlin 1 request, Kotlin 1 result, and the result is like this. Let's try to see the result of it. Filter it with testing, which I have given here. Yeah, check. The Kotlin is calling for the request part. So request, and it is going to it should, the logs have not given in a proper way. This guy has to be called here. Java 2 request, so the request response. That thing we are trying to track here to conclude the flow, and we observe there is no compile time issue. Kotlin 1 request, which is going to Java 2 request, which is further going to Kotlin 3 request. Kotlin 3 is giving the result back to Java 2, and which remain back to Java 3. At the last, it is coming back at this location, and things are working well. So we can say it is 100% compatible. Android for Java and for Kotlin is 100% compatible, hence it is proved. Hope you like the video. If yes, please subscribe it and get connected with next upcoming Kotlin Java videos. Thank you.